Retransmission, essentially identical with automatic repeat request, is the resending of packets which have been either damaged or lost. Retransmission is one of the basic mechanisms used by protocols operating over a packet-switched computer network to provide reliable communication. Such networks are usually unreliable, meaning they offer no guarantees that they will not delay, damage, or lose packets, or deliver them out of order. Protocols which provide reliable communication over such networks use a combination of acknowledgements, retransmission of missing or damaged packets, and checksums to provide that reliability. Acknowledgement: there are several forms of acknowledgement which can be used alone or together in networking protocols. Positive acknowledgement: the receiver explicitly notifies the sender which packets, messages, or segments were received correctly. Positive acknowledgement therefore also implicitly informs the sender which packets were not received and provides detail on packets which need to be retransmitted. Positive acknowledgement with retransmission is a method used by TCP to verify receipt of transmitted data. ALll operates by retransmitting data at an established period of time until the receiving host acknowledges reception of the data. Negative acknowledgement: the receiver explicitly notifies the sender which packets, messages, or segments were received incorrectly and thus may need to be retransmitted. Selective acknowledgement: the receiver explicitly lists which packets, messages, or segments in the stream are acknowledged. Positive selective acknowledgement is an option in TCP that is useful in satellite internet access. Cumulative acknowledgement: the receiver acknowledges that it correctly received a packet, message, or segment in a stream which implicitly informs the sender that the previous packets were received correctly. TCP uses cumulative acknowledgement with its TCP sliding window. Retransmission: retransmission is a very simple concept. Whenever one party sends something to the other party, it retains a copy of the data it sent until the recipient has acknowledged that it received it. In a variety of circumstances, the sender automatically retransmits the data using the retained copy. Reasons for resending include, if no such acknowledgement is forthcoming within a reasonable time, the timeout, the sender discovers, often through some out-of-band means, that the transmission was unsuccessful, if the receiver knows that expected data has not arrived, and so notifies the sender, if the receiver knows that the data has arrived, but in a damaged condition, and indicates that to the sender. See also, error control, reliable system design, truncated binary exponential backoff, TCP congestion avoidance algorithm, development of TCP.